Hello everyone, this video is for anyone who needs help sending a message to me through Schoology. So no matter where you are in Schoology, you're going to see this black band at the top of your page. What you're looking for is the envelope icon that I'm circling right now so that you can click on that. So I'm going to click on it. And then you're looking for the words new message. I'm underlining it right now. You're going to click new message, and that's going to open a pop-up. So what you're going to do in the to bar is look for my name. So start typing in my last name, Robinson. And then what's going to happen is you'll have a drop-down menu. So you want to scroll through that menu until you find the icon with the brown bear on it, because that's me, Miss Robinson, and this is our school's name. So once you found me, go ahead and click my name so it's in that to box. And then you're ready to type in your subject. So you're going to type in what you're meaning to talk to me about. So if I gave you the subject, if I told you what to put in the subject line, because this is for an assignment, go ahead and type that in so I know what I'm receiving when it comes from you. If you have a question about something, you can type a little bit of your question in the subject line if you want. So you've got to have something in the subject line in order to send your message. After you've typed in your subject, you can type your full message into the message box. Or you can do a recording. So if you're going to record yourself, you're going to click on the audio video microphone right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can choose to send just a voice message, which is audio only, or send audio and video. So that's voice and your screen will be on and it will record whatever is showing up in front of your screen. So I'm going to cancel out of this. After your message is written or recorded, then you're ready to press send, and I will receive it and read it and get back to you as soon as I can. That's it for this video.